I swear I love folding. And don't talk about my raggedy towels. I keep them all, honey, until it's a thread left. I love folding clothes. I love washing and drying too, but I really love folding because I fold my washcloths and towels a certain way. They're all falling over now. Now my hand towels, my little, what I call cleaning towels. If they're too raggedy, then wash towels, socks, underwear. These are all my 6-year-old's sleeping clothes, school jeans, play clothes. That's the pile for play clothes. My 3-year-old's 2 piles of sleeping clothes. All her clothes is play clothes because she's not in school. Underwear, socks, blankets. I wash a lot because my 3-year-old, she's potty trained, but she still wets the bed at night. So I'm always washing sheets and blankets. And then, of course, I got a pile here for my clothes, my old man's socks. I don't put them up until I find the matching sock. And I'm still doing laundry now. I got a couple more things in this basket. Yeah, them socks, honey, I don't care. And, you know, I didn't wash the whites with bleach because I don't have any bleach right now. There's a shortage on bleach if y'all didn't know. But even if I did, my 6-year-old socks, honey, I don't know what she does at recess. I think she takes off her shoes and just run around the playground and on the asphalt just with socks on. But yeah, if y'all love folding, please let me know, because I don't know, I feel like I'm the only one that loves folding and organizing. Normally I color coordinate my washcloths, but I didn't do it this time. Like normally all the colored ones will be in one pile. That sounds like segregation, don't it? But anyway, since they all dingy and I don't have any bleach, I don't care. I don't care. And y'all know I got these 90% off at Walgreens, if y'all don't remember. The mattress protectors. So yeah. Oh my God, I love it. Something's wrong with me. Get my stuff ready on top of my little rusty dryer. This dryer rusty, but it's a good dryer, baby. While I'm waiting on my washer to stop. And you hurry up. Alright. Dryer sheets already in there. Am I the only one that put detergent in before you put your clothes in? Because I've seen people put it in after they put their clothes in. I put a cup in before and another cup after. Sometimes 2 cups after, depending on whose clothes I'm doing. If I'm doing my towels or my husband's clothes, I put about 2 or 3 cups of detergent in. And then on the last cup, I do it like this. Pour it on all the top of the clothes that's dry, that don't have water hitting it yet. You know, just to use every drop of detergent, honey. Just because I coupon does not mean I'm wasteful. And I also, like how I just put that towel on the left, I'll put the next item on the right. And then the next item under the water, and the next item on this side. And I'll just keep doing it like that, every item I put in. If it's something small like socks or washcloths, I'll put a few on one side, you know, just to have it even. Otherwise, my washer will go to wobbling when it spins, and it'll knock it off track. So just to keep it balanced out, I go like that, left, right, front, back, or right, front, back, left, just something on each side, like 4 corners almost. A huge blanket, so I wrap it around here first. This is the end of the blanket. I will just keep going around to even it out. And then that's it for this load. Then I got one more big comforter I'm gonna put in here. I might wash the other one tomorrow. So now I'm about to put 1 more cup of Gain and a few beads on top. Depending on how bad it smells like urine, I'll put a whole cup. But I just did a half a cup just now. And this is what I mean by the dry parts. If these were closed, help saturate it with water all around. Just to hurry up and get rid of the detergent in the cup. You're supposed to pour the beads under the water, but I sprinkle it all around. I put the majority under the water. And to get rid of all this shout that we got for 30-something cents at Walgreens, I spray it in the washer. Yeah, you're supposed to spray it on the stains. But I just spray a little bit in every load. I don't know if it's really doing something or not, but and I wash all the time with hot water. I used to only wash my white clothes with hot water, but I wash everything in hot water now. I just need it clean, honey, with these children and them peeing the bed and stuff. Boy, y'all, sir, ma'am. Woo. Yeah, that smells good. And I'm only using Gain because, of course, I got it super cheap or free. But if I paid full price out of pocket for detergent, I buy Purex and Arm & Hammer. In my opinion, that's the best detergent. And then you can buy some Gain fabric softener, dress fabric softener if you want it to smell super good. Because won't nobody ever know you washed it in Purex or Arm & Hammer, which I don't care if they do. But I'm just saying, if you like that smell, use the fabric softener, dryer sheet. It's going to smell just like that. It's not going to smell like the detergent you washed it in. The fabric softener is what gives it the smell. So I can't wait to start folding. I still love folding. Oh yeah, my man is cruel. He put this mask in here to stop my 3-year-old from sneaking in the kitchen, because she just be eating all type of things and it's not good because she can get sick. So instead of it looking like child abuse and us putting a lock on the refrigerator, he puts this here because he knows she is scared of it. And now it worked. It was the deterrent from her going in the kitchen. She won't come in here now. With this mask sitting right here on this chair, honey. She say not Chainsaw Massacre tonight. So yeah, try that with your kids. Whatever they're afraid of, if you got a Halloween mask or something, put it in front of their room or near that room so you know she or he won't go that way. And when I'm washing big stuff, I always come back and check. Sometimes I never leave to see if it's under the water. But yeah, it's a lot of room in here. It's just floating up like the bubbles in the blanket. But see, this was way more than enough. I like to see suds, honey. And I did 1.5 cups. That's it. Look at all the bubbles. Yeah. Alright. With the clothes, I have like this, not fetish, I don't know. But with shirts and stuff, I like to see this, grab the shirts and take it underwater. I sit there and watch it. Sometimes it takes like 10 minutes for it to grab it and take it under. Okay, so I'm just going to show you just for the heck of it. I'm going to just drop this washcloth in here. Let's see how long it takes for it to grab it. Because that's what that's for. It grabs the clothes and take it underwater and wash them and rotate them. But it's a big comforter in here, so I don't know how long it's going to take. It don't look like it's going to take long though, because it's already soaking in water. You see it turning dark blue from the water. And there's a towel right there too, so I probably should have put it on the other side. Because if it's too many things, it's not going to wash. And my washer is getting old, so you see how I just stopped? It only do that every now and then, and that's crazy that I just caught that on camera. It's not going on rinse or anything. It literally just stopped, but it'll start back washing in a while. So that was a fail because I wanted to show y'all, but I should have put it over there because it would have probably grabbed it a little bit faster. I'm gonna just go ahead and put it under. I'll show y'all another time. All right, it's 5:33 a.m. Getting hubby's stuff done. I gotta put the socks together now. I got boxers, briefs, socks, all silk shirts. basketball shorts, some cotton shorts in there. So now all I gotta do is match up the socks. Are these my son's socks or his? No, these are his. So yep, still at it. Folding my towels. If y'all want to know how I fold my towels, like a step-by-step, just ask me. If you don't give a damn, then don't ask me. All right, y'all. I'm about done. I got one more comforter to put in the washer after that turquoise one comes out. That's what I meant when I said I'm putting one more in there. I wasn't putting one more in there with that comforter. I meant after that comforter and those couple of towels and blankets wash. One towel, one small blanket, Minnie Mouse blanket, and that big turquoise comforter. Once that washes, I rinse my stuff twice too. So it's already rinsed. I just put the rinse on again. Now it's draining. That's what you hear in the background. And I'm going to put that in the dryer. I've already taken my man's clothes out the dryer. Put the turquoise blanket in the dryer. Then put one more big comforter and 2 sheets in the washer. And I'm done for the night. I just can't look at dirty clothes just sitting in a basket. I just can't do it. Now, if it's only a little bit in there, then yeah. But if it's full, I have to wash. And again, I got a toddler. So I have to constantly wash sheets and blankets, and this her little pee thing that I stole from the hospital when I had her. That does nothing really, but I just keep it anyway. But yeah, I love folding, y'all. Okay, I got a couple odd socks. I know these gray ones look the same, but you see this one doesn't have brown on it. He'll still wear it, especially if he's going to work, but I'd rather not put them together. Well, no, I'm going to go ahead and put them together because I know I don't have any more socks in the loads that I'm about to do because those are just comforters and sheets. Then this one's a loner, this one's a loner, and then this plain black sock is a loner. So I keep those loose. I don't put them together. If he decides he wants to wear the mismatched socks, he'll make that decision. But I don't roll them together like I do the ones that do match, like the Felines, these white ones, and these 2 Hanes. But I am going to go ahead and roll these 2 up, even though these do not go together. I'm surprised he has this many matching. I know my kids don't. I mean, Soleil got a lot of her Hanes white socks right here matching. Well, no, these aren't Hanes. These are Pro Player from Family Dollar that we probably got for $1. But honey, matching socks, they will still disappear even when I roll them together. I can't be the only parent or the only wife that don't have socks to match after you know you rolled them together by hand. Oh, also, can y'all pick out of all these clothes that's folded in linen, what I got for a penny, what I got for 3 cents, and what I got for free? Let me know. If y'all been doing this for a while, y'all should spot it out. What I got on clearance as well, 90% off, 3 cents, 1 cent, $1. There's some dollar stuff in here. There's some penny stuff. It's all mixed up. Let me know. Including my, I can't show y'all my stuff now. But let's see if I can find the brand. My Baby Fat undies right here. All right. It's even. Now I went this way, so with the other fitted sheet, I'm gonna go this way to make the weight even in the washer. like it's full. Once the water, it absorbs all the water, it'll go down. And I'll give it some help pushing it down and putting some of this water on the dry parts of the blanket. I'm going to put all of that up under the water because this blanket is thick. I don't want to put it over here and it just gets stuck on the top of the blanket and not float through the water. Ooh, that water hot. Ooh. Came right home from work and just got his clothes. If they still there, I don't even ask him. He just come get his clothes and put them up. Probably gonna come back and get the boxes and stuff now. Yep. Go ahead. Go and grab your boxes, darling. He's sitting there looking at me like, really? He don't know that I was already recording before he did this and what the video is about. So see what I mean about the beads staying there? Sometimes you gotta help it. Put it on up under there. This water is hot, honey. This is why I rinse twice. I probably could have left the blanket out and just the 2 sheets, but hopefully it'll go under more. This is the first rinse. So I will be rinsing it again after this. Otherwise, it's going to be a ton of detergent still in the blanket. Even then, it don't get out all the detergent. It's that back there. I don't even know what that is. Oh, it's not even halfway full yet. I was trying to see if I saw water when I did this. Oh, he threw something in here. Oh, okay. I'm like, I didn't put this in the washer.